There is something deeply satisfying about shaping wood into objects that enhance our connection with nature, and few woodworking projects reflect this better than the crafting of a wooden planter bench. A union of seating and greenery, a planter bench is more than a functional item. It's an expression of warmth, comfort, and thoughtful design. Whether placed in a backyard garden, on a balcony, or along a quiet porch, it transforms outdoor spaces into inviting retreats. But beyond its aesthetic and functional appeal, building a wooden planter bench carries a deeper significance. For the woodworker, it offers a way to harmonize craftsmanship with nature, and for those exploring income potential, it opens up a world of opportunity in a market that increasingly values sustainability, beauty, and personalization. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden planter bench design ideas to create beautiful garden or generate income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The wooden planter bench sits at the intersection of two powerful desires: the need for relaxation and the desire to be close to living things. In today's fast-paced world, people crave spaces where they can unwind, places that encourage calm, reflection, and quiet joy. At the same time, the popularity of gardening and green living has surged, with more individuals seeking ways to bring plants into their daily lives. A planter bench offers both, a place to sit and breathe, and the company of thriving greenery. As a woodworking project, it becomes a kind of sanctuary in the making, one shaped not just by boards and screws, but by an understanding of how people want to feel in their homes and gardens. From a craft perspective, building a planter bench is a rewarding experience. It draws upon essential woodworking techniques, measuring, cutting, joining, sanding, and finishing, but also allows room for creativity and design. The planters at either end can be square, rectangular, or even curved, each with their own influence on the overall look. The bench can be rustic with reclaimed wood and a natural finish, or modern and sleek with clean lines and hidden fasteners. There's room for personal expression in the slats, the angles, the joinery, and the details that make each piece unique. The challenge is not just in constructing a durable seat or a watertight planter. It's in bringing those elements together into a harmonious whole. What makes the project particularly satisfying is its interaction with time and the environment. Unlike many indoor furniture pieces that remain static, a wooden planter bench evolves. As seasons pass, the wood may develop a natural patina, and the plants grow and change. What the woodworker builds becomes a living feature of the landscape, responding to sun, rain, and wind. Watching a planter bench weather gently under the sky, while blooms flourish and vines trail along its sides, offers an ongoing sense of connection and pride. The piece is not just finished when the last nail is driven. It continues to grow, quite literally, in beauty and character. For those looking to monetize their woodworking skills, planter benches offer an ideal combination of appeal and value. They cater to a wide audience, from homeowners and apartment dwellers to businesses, cafes, and landscape designers. In a world where outdoor living is more valued than ever, especially in urban and suburban spaces, people are willing to invest in pieces that improve their exterior environments. A planter bench is not just a seat, it's a lifestyle accessory. It signals that a space is cared for and meant to be enjoyed. This emotional resonance adds to its marketability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, wooden planter benches can be scaled to fit various niches. Some may be compact, designed for balconies or small patios. Others may be long and dramatic, perfect for framing a large garden or entryway. Custom sizes, wood types, and finishes offer room for personalization, a key factor in the buying decisions of today's consumers. Many customers are looking for pieces that reflect their tastes and complement their specific outdoor settings. Offering custom work, whether through size modifications, choice of stain, or even integrated features like trellises or built-in storage can set a woodworking business apart from mass-produced furniture suppliers. In addition to direct-to-consumer sales, planter benches are ideal for craft fairs, garden centers, online platforms like Etsy, or local markets. They also appeal to eco-conscious buyers when built from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced lumber. Adding a story about where the wood came from or how the design was inspired gives each piece additional meaning, something customers increasingly look for in the items they buy. The ability to tell that story, to stand behind your work as something honest and handmade, builds trust and loyalty. And in a world flooded with impersonal, factory-made products, that sense of authenticity is invaluable. There's also an important emotional dimension to consider. For the woodworker, crafting a wooden planter bench is more than just an income-generating project. It's a chance to create something that brings comfort, beauty, and connection into someone else's life. Every time someone sits on that bench with a morning coffee or tends to the flowers growing from its planters, the maker is, in a small but real way, present. That shared connection between maker, object, user, and nature is what gives woodworking its timeless, soulful quality. And let's not overlook the joy of building something that becomes part of a natural rhythm. Watching a planter bench go from raw materials to a finished piece, and then seeing it filled with soil, seedlings, and eventually blooms, is a gratifying arc of creation. It invites the woodworker to think seasonally, to consider how wood and greenery can coexist harmoniously, and to appreciate the cycles of growth and decay. In that sense, the project is not static. It lives and changes, reflecting the passage of time and the beauty of the natural world. Even beyond personal satisfaction and income generation, planter benches contribute something meaningful to the broader movement of thoughtful living. They embody principles of simplicity, sustainability, and intentionality. They encourage people to slow down, spend time outside, and care for something living. In creating them, the woodworker becomes not just a craftsman, but a facilitator of peace and presence. Each planter bench invites someone to pause, breathe deeply, and reconnect with nature, with themselves, and perhaps with those around them. Ultimately, the deeper value of making a wooden planter bench lies in this gentle transformation of space, of mood, of purpose. It's not just about putting boards together. It's about making something that helps people live better. Whether it finds a home in a cozy backyard garden, a sunny balcony, or a public courtyard, the bench stands as a reminder that beauty and function can coexist, and that handmade things still have the power to touch lives. And for the woodworker, that's a powerful motivation. To shape with care, to craft with purpose, and to offer something lasting in a world of disposables. This is the heart of the work. The wooden planter bench, in all its simplicity, carries that heart forward. A seat, a planter, a gift of nature and design entwined. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden planter bench design ideas to create beautiful garden or generate income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.